Please like, share and subscribe our channel to learn and enjoy our free online educational videos from class nursery to 10. Please click the bell icon to get all new updated videos.
Lesson 1. Number and Numeration. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. I am Gingy, the gingerbread man. In the bakery, they bake thousands of gingerbread men like me. Let me introduce you to my friends. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Now let's look at some number facts. Number facts. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the 10 digits used to form numbers. We use one digit to form a single digit number. Example, 1. We use two digits to form a two-digit number. Example, 12. We use three digits to form a three-digit number. Example, 120. We use four digits to form a four-digit number. Example, 1200. All numbers from 1 onwards are called natural or counting numbers. Numbers written in words are called number names or numeration. Example, 1200 is equal to 1200. When we write a number using digits, we call it notation or short form. Example, 3518 is equal to 3518. Learning to write four-digit numbers. 1000, 1100, 1111, 1122, 2123. Forming four-digit numbers on the abacus. Let's count in thousands on the abacus. The four rods on the abacus represent thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. One bead on the thousands rod represents 1000. Likewise, one bead on each of the other rods represents 100, 110 or 11 respectively. To find the number, count up the number of beads on each rod and write the number in the respective column. 1000, 1100, 1110, 1111. Understanding place value and face value.
I know my place. It's in a tree. Come, swing from branch to branch with me.
Every digit in a number has its own place. This is called the place value of the digit. A digit in a number has its own value, which is called its face value. Example, in the number 3560, the place value of the digit 3 is 3000, while its face value is 3. The place value of 5 is 500 and its face value is 5. The place value of 6 is 60 and its face value is 6. The place value of 0 is always 0, irrespective of its position in the number. Let's consider the number 3879, thousands, th, 3, hundreds, h, 8, tens, t, 7, ones, o, 9. Face value 9, 7, 8, 3. Place value 9 ones is equal to 9. 7 tens is equal to 70. 8 hundreds is equal to 800. 3 thousands is equal to 3000. Expanded notation. Expanded notation of a number shows the place value of each digit of the number. Example, 3579 is equal to 3000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 9. Ascending and descending order of numbers. Arranging numbers from smallest to biggest is called ascending order. Example, 4576, 4756, 4675, 4567, 4765 is 4567, 4576, 4675, 4756, 4765. Arranging numbers from biggest to smallest is called descending order. Example, 6354, 6654, 6854, 6845, 6345 is 6854, 6845, 6654, 6354, 6345. Predecessor and successor. Predecessor means one before the number. Example, 1001 minus 1 is equal to 1000. 4000 minus 1 is equal to 3999. Number 1001, 4000. Successor means one after the number. 1001 plus 1 is equal to 1002. 4000 plus 1 is equal to 4001. Finding out even and odd numbers. Even. All numbers that can be divided by 2 or can be paired are called even numbers. Test for an even number. If the digit in the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, the number will be divisible by 2 and will be even. Odd. All numbers that cannot be divided by 2 or cannot be paired are called odd numbers. Test for an odd number. If the digit in the ones place is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, the number will not be divisible by 2 and will be odd. Roman numerals. In ancient Rome, Roman people followed the different numeral system. They don't have numbers like us. It was based on the letters of alphabets called symbol, which combines to signify different values. They used 7 symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. Even today we see these numerals in use at many places, like in clocks, watches, chapter number in books, etc. Let us look at some Roman numerals to understand it more clearly. Hindu Arabic numbers. Roman numerals: 1, I, 2, double I, 3, triple I, 4, IV, 5, V, 6, VI, 7, V double I, 8, V triple I, 9, IX, 10, X. Using the Roman numerals I, V and X, we can form numbers up to 39. Rules for Roman numbers. When a series of symbols goes from a greater to a lesser value, then they are added. Example, in numeral VI, we first have V and then 1, so we move from greater to lesser value. Hence, VI is equal to V plus I is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. When a series of symbols goes from a lesser to a greater value, then they are subtracted. Example, In numeral IV, we first have I and then V, so we move from lesser to greater value. Hence, IV is equal to V minus I is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. When a letter or symbol repeats, they are added. Example, II is equal to 2, III is equal to 3, and XX is equal to 20. No letter repeats more than 3 times. Numbers in the math lab. Finding even and odd numbers using a pegboard. Divide the class into 2 teams. One team should use the pegs of a particular color to form a number. For example, 9. The opposite team should move the pegs into pairs. If the number forms perfect pairs with no remainder, it is even. If there is one peg left over, it is odd. Here the number 9 is odd. Points can be given for the team who makes the correct assessment. You could also make dots on a graph paper to add even and odd numbers.